everybody should learn how to program. And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite.
In 10 years, probably AI could do anything better than a human can, cognitively. Probably almost, I think in 10 years, based on the current rate of improvement, AI will be smarter than the smartest human.
First of all, I'm going to go to the punchline. AI is not going to take your jobs. The person who uses AI is going to take your job. Do you guys agree with that? Okay. So use AI as fast as you can so that you can stay gainfully employed.
What kind of a thing would it be that humans can do but AI can't?
However, depending on the jobs that we do, sometimes it could do 20% of our jobs, 20% of our work, 1,000 times better. For some people, it might be able to do 50% of their job, 1,000 times better. But in no job can they do all of it. And so this is the great observation. Because of that, every one of us should apply AI to automate, to become an assistant to help us with that either 20%, 40%, or 50%. People ask me, Jensen, is AI going to take your job? And I tell them, absolutely not. The person who uses AI to automate that 20% or 50% is going to take your job.
Everyone is talking about AI. Some people say coding is dead. Some say AI will replace all developers. And maybe you have even started thinking, should I still learn to code in 2025? Let me tell you something. Yes, you should, but not for the same reason people learned it 5 years ago. When I first saw AI write full code, I was impressed. Like, wow, this thing can build websites faster than I can. But after a while, I noticed something. AI can write code, but it doesn't understand why it's writing it. AI is programmed and developed by humans. It only performs based on the instruction you give it or how it's being trained. AI still needs human input. Someone who understands web development to give clear instructions, fix bugs, or plan new features. It does not know what users need. It can't think about designs, performance, or real-world problems. So I stopped being scared of it. I started using it. There is no day I don't use AI. Every single day. I use AI to code, to debug, to research, even to plan new features. Sometimes I just vibe code with AI. Vibe coding means I open my laptop, drop an idea, and just start building. No pressure. I talk to AI like a partner. I might say, let's make a to-do app with a twist, or help me implement this feature. AI gives me code suggestion. I understand what it's doing. I tweak it and keep building. It's like working with a smart assistant that never gets tired. That's vibe coding. Just you, your idea, and AI helping you shape it. The real point is, you should learn to code in 2025 because coding is not just about typing lines. It's about how you think and how you solve problems. When you learn to code, you train your brains to think logically and build systems. That skill will never go out of style. Tech is the new oil well. You can sit in your house, make thousands of dollars, work as a freelancer, run an agency, build your own product, or work for a global company. Every new tool, every AI model is still built on code. So if you know how to code, you understand the foundation of everything happening in tech. And the best part, you can live anywhere. Nigeria, Ghana, India, Kenya, UK, US, and still work globally. Tech has no borders. Your code can travel before you do. So how do you learn smart now that AI is part of the game?